Sup everybody, today I am going to show you guys my Disney Cars collection. Now if you guys don't know, that's my favorite movie so far. I've been growing up with it since I would say probably 2011 when the second movie came out, and ever since I've been collecting toys and whatnot. And yeah, but before we even get to the diecasts of that I have, let me show you some play sets that I have. All right, first off, this right here. This is my whale car wash playset, which appeared in Cars on the Road. If you guys haven't seen it, I highly recommend you guys watching it. It's on Disney Plus. It's called Cars on the Road. It came out about 2 years ago. By this time next month, it'll be 2 years old now. So, yeah. So there's that, and yeah. Basically, what you would do, you put like a color changer car through this end. Make sure it like goes on this thing, and then you fill this thing up here with water. This right here, and then as you move this thing side to side and hold this button down right here, this button, water will come out through the top there, the green part there, and it will land on the car and change. And then at the end, there's these weird sponge thingies to quote unquote dry it, because it doesn't really dry it that good. But anyway, yeah, there's that. So if you guys haven't seen the show, I highly recommend you. Now, next up, we have some like big toys. We have a lights and sounds uh, Lightning McQueen toy that turns into a plane here. I made this about like last year in around this time, just to like do something fun, like just make my own thing. So I made this little paper McQueen. This Willie's Butte came with a playset, which is in the closet right now. It's like disassembled, and it takes a bit for me to assemble it. And then we have a Jada 124 scale Lightning McQueen, which is fully die-cast metal, has actual rubber tires, and the cool thing about this thing is that its hood opens, as you can see, and if you get a good look in there, you could see its engine in there, highly detailed. Like I said, no stickers, fully painted and whatnot. And then I made this drawing not too long ago. So yeah, that's a drawing that I made. And then here is a Mater toy. This is Track Talkers. What you do is you touch the top of the head, and it says some phrases and also makes some sounds. So let's just press it.
That was awesome.
So yeah, they got some other phrases and stuff like that. Next up on this side we have my haulers. So we have Jackson Storm's hauler. We have Paul Conrev's hauler. The bumper save. We have this Mac. This was actually one of my first Mac diecast toys, quote unquote, sort of, that I ever had. You could tell that the sticker is coming off a little bit. It's not really that bad. Side of the bumper is missing. Um, yeah, the lack of children's toys now these days that don't really actually use actual paint. They just put stickers on them, which I don't know why. Like even this hauler here, this Mac hauler, this was actually supposed to be a die cast, but you could tell that on there on the side is a sticker. See, even on the back is completely wiped off. Pretty much half of the side of this one is messed up. So like I don't know why they say in the commercials that it's a um like custom paint with no paper stickers. It's literally a sticker. Well, anyway, here is the Mac. This was also one of my first toys I had. Um, You could tell that the side view mirror's off. Both of them actually. Um, the smokestacks are kind of messed up and they're broken off now. It's just this piece. Some of the sticker there on the mud flap is missing, and this is actually a die cast, but somehow I damaged it pretty good though. So there's that for you. Moving on down here, we have some accessories. So we have like a Radiator Springs keychain license plate. We have a oil can, a table, a cone, a piston cup, a toolbox, a payphone with a Rusty and Dusty on there, a hay bale, and I have this. This isn't actually Disney car related. This is more like Hot Wheels or Matchbox. But I still had it, and I was like, you know what, I could just use this. Here's a flag which comes with this set. This is a Sarge's surplus hut. It came with that map there of Radiator Springs. Here we have a Mac. This is plastic. It also has stickers on it, like the other one over there, like that one right there. And there's the hauler, which does turn into a playset. Here we have the King hauler right here. Not as bad as the other hauler that I had, which was McQueen's hauler, because this is in good condition. So yeah, there's that. And if you guys don't think I do collect diecast, there's a box there to prove you wrong. So yeah, there's that. Next up, we on the floor, I have a Disney Cars rug playmat type thing, which has like Mater there in the corner, and McQueen is there, and on the side there. Um, have some other stuff on the floor, like I have some other toys down here, RC car and whatnot. I had a keyboard that barely works, but here is a Disney car toy box type chest thing, which has McQueen on the side, drifting town, and then here it says the same thing, but with not only that it has McQueen on it, it also has the tuners, like there's Snot Rod, Wingo, Boost, and McQueen, of course. And yeah, in here there's not really a whole lot in here. All I have in here is like plastic bags from like my shopping stuff. Here I have a piece for a playset, which is in somewhere in my room, which I can't find at this point. So yeah, there's that. And yeah. So now with that out of the way, that other stuff, here is what you've been waiting for. This is my very own collection. Oh, by the way, if you don't know, oh, come on, try to. There we go. If you don't know what that is, that's me. A lady actually drew me like that at someone's party. So yeah, that's pretty cool though, right? It looks just like me. But anyway, getting sidetracked here. Here's my collection. So get ready to see my collection. So here's my collection. I have 105 different characters and different versions of them. So I have 105 diecast in total. So here's all my McQueens. So we have like Cars 1 here, Cars 2 here. These two are the only Cars 2 ones I have. Cars 3 here, these two guys. Cars on the Road here. Pretty nice, right? Here's my Maters. Got a tractor. Here's more Maters that I have. Pretty nice, right? Yeah, there's that. Here's more of the other characters I have, like Red, Sheriff, Doc, Fillmore, Sarge, Lizzie, Sally, Luigi, and Guido. Flo, and 4 versions of Ramon here. other characters, race cars, whatnot. Back here is Cars 2 characters. Two Carlo Velosos, one with flames and one without. Keeps going and going. Cars 3 here. Like that. More characters. The reason why I have two Jackson Storms is that this one right here, that's China, and this one is Thailand. And the only difference that I could tell between these two guys is that this one doesn't have the window bars and this one does. So it's kind of weird, but there's that. Have Cruz Ramirez, Thunder Hollow Racers. Only three though. I don't have all the other ones, unfortunately. Sterling and Smokey, that, and then here's the Cars on the Road characters. Like that. This one's kind of cool. This is Jeremy, here from Road Rumbler. Like the top is spiky, has like a weird hammer, has a flamethrower on the side, nicely detailed. So yeah, 155 scale diecast. All of these characters are 155 scale diecast, in case you're wondering. So yeah, well, which one do you guys think is your favorite? Because there are multiple different ones to choose from. The ones that I might have to choose from are probably going to have to be. Ooh, it's a hard decision. I have so many though. Um, okay, the only ones I could probably pick that I like has to be Rumbler Mater here, has a mace on the back, and the other one that I probably like um is probably going to have to be hmm um huh I think Fabulous McQueen. Yeah, I think this one, Fabulous McQueen, because the more you think about it, the more that you have this guy here, right? And if you have a Fabulous Hudson Hornet, you could put the two together and they match right there. It's pretty cool. So yeah, but I'm gonna have to probably choose this guy because this guy's pretty cool. So yeah, yep. So yeah, there's that. So yeah. So if you guys like my collection, make sure to ask me more questions and whatnot. So yeah, I'll see you guys later.